It was June of 2018. We had about 3 hailstorms in about 24 hours. The hail was larger than anywhere that we've ever lived.
And we've been here for, 4 years at the time. We'd seen some crazy weather. This was a severe storm. There were a lot of roofs damaged in the area, right? So our expectations going in was maybe we needed a new roof. There might be a couple other things that were identified, but when Northern Lights got involved, they did a deep dive on all of the other things that you don't even think about.
The adjuster came out, Northern Lights came and met with the adjuster to make sure that the adjuster addressed all the issues that Northern Lights had seen. So it was kind of one complete stop for us.
To the point of other companies that are out there trying to get the business after a storm. I mean, we had a couple of times where people would just randomly knock on our door and say, hey, there was a lot of storm damage, but none of them came back with that, the details of some of the other things that had gone wrong in the storm. As I said, you wouldn't see it with the naked eye if you're not trained for it. So once we had, Northern Lights and James come out, they made it crystal clear, like, here are the real problems that you might be dealing with from this storm. Having that personal relationship and also knowing that they have a great reputation in the area made it really easy to just trust them to get the work done.
We had the roof replaced first because we wanted to get that done. We were still working with the insurance on getting the windows covered. So we had the roof approved and that was installed. Everybody was on time, they were very courteous, they cleaned up after themselves. Everyone was just very, very professional, very conscious that we were actually still living here.
So the guys, they were always really courteous. They always come in and say, here's what we plan on doing today. And this is being done in the dead of winter, and you really wouldn't have known. Once they were done for the day, everything was sealed up and the house was warm again, and it was great.
Definitely one of our best decisions was contacting Northern Lights because it did all go so smoothly.